This is the Pacific War in GMT games, which is the second edition of the original Victory Point games. Title from 1985 it was originally published. Very quick update. We've now reached the end of January 1942 because both sides have pretty much said they're not going to bid for any more operations, so we go straight to the monthly section of the game. One thing I have done is I've taken these ops complete markers from Vietnam game by GMT games, because if you're playing this full strategic campaign, you've got nowhere near enough ops complete markers, and these ones are really good because the red ones are for Japan and the green ones are for the Allies, so they're miles better than these generic counters, which you haven't got anywhere near enough. I mean, you probably only got a third of the total number you're going to need when you're playing the early part of the Japanese offensive. Right, that's pretty much all I want to say at the moment. There wasn't a great deal happening since the last video I did, mainly because what happens is it's so tempting to play 2 week operations. It's far cheaper. If you start going to 3 and 4 week operations, it costs you a fortune in command points. So what tends to happen is early on in the game you're going to get these 2 week periods of intense activity with a 2 week period of intense reaction activity, where, well, I say intense reaction, of any sort of reaction activity. Now that's going to change as the Allies get more equipment and start to become more effective in terms of what sort of action they can do. At the moment they're very much on the back foot, having to do whatever they can to try and maintain their positions. So in terms of the main game, since the last video, it's just been small amounts of units shuffling around, Japanese repositioning a couple of divisions, the Allies moving a few ships and things around, so there isn't a great deal in terms of change.